Oops! Surprise! That was a bumblebee. When I'm about to touch these clusters of flowers right there, that's my sweet potato bloom, which as you can see looks so much like a morning glory, the wild morning glory, because I do have morning glory that are cultivated and they are deep purple or deep blue in color. Now the wild morning glories are very much alike or similar to the color of the sweet potato bloom right there. And again, you can see the clusters of buds, and that's an indication that tuber is forming underneath the soil. So this is the trifecta side. Decent size, not much, nothing spectacular like last year, but so that's the trifecta side. Now we're gonna start the other side. So here is the sweet potato harvest for this year, 2016. I have them all sorted out, ready for storage. I have what I'm going to store, and some that will be cooked right away, and well, I got everything sorted out. And this is one of the this is the only biggest sweet potato that I was able to dug out. Look at how big that is. Huge. So that's not a bad size for the biggest sweet potato this year. And the rest are in very good size. As you can see, those are going to be stored, because obviously we won't be able to eat all of this right now. We'll be able to share some.